Altamont wasn't a concert. It was a funeral in disguise. December 6th, 1969, the day the hippie dream bled out on the dirt of a speedway while Mick Jagger sang "Under My Thumb" and a boy named Meredith Hunter collapsed 20 feet from the stage. The fact that still stings. Security was outsourced to the Hells Angels. Not professionals, not organizers, not even volunteers. Bikers, paid in beer, $500 worth. That was the price tag on human safety. The Rolling Stones wanted a Woodstock West, but what they got was chaos wrapped in denim and knives. The Angels parked their bikes at the foot of the stage, guarding it like a war zone perimeter. They shoved, punched, swung pool cues. Jefferson Airplane's Marty Balin was knocked unconscious mid-set. Stephen Stills was stabbed in the leg with a sharpened spoke. And yet the show went on. The unexpected twist. The Grateful Dead, co-organizers of the event, refused to play. They saw the violence and walked. Imagine that. The band most synonymous with the counterculture bailed on the counterculture's supposed crowning moment. They left the Stones to face the storm alone. By the time Jagger stepped out, the crowd was a powder keg. Meredith Hunter, 18, dressed in a lime green suit, tried to approach the stage. He carried a revolver. Whether for protection or provocation, no one knows. Alan Pissarro, a Hells Angel, stabbed him to death in plain view of 300,000 people. The cameras caught it. The Maysles brothers documentary Gimme Shelter immortalized it. The hippie dream died on film. The irony? Woodstock had been 4 months earlier. Peace, love, mud, and music. Altamont was supposed to be its mirror image, proof that the West Coast could do it too. Instead, it became the anti-Woodstock. Where Woodstock birthed myth, Altamont birthed a cautionary tale. The summer of love ended not with flowers in hair, but with blood on gravel. The counterculture's utopia collapsed under the weight of its own naivety, thinking that freedom meant no structure, no planning, no rules. And here's the sting in the tail. The Stones finished their set. They played through Sympathy for the Devil, through Under My Thumb, through the night. The crowd roared, oblivious or indifferent. Meredith Hunter's body was carried away, and the music didn't stop. That's the part that makes your eye twitch. The show went on. So the question hangs, sharp as a knife. Was Altamont the end of the hippie era, or just the moment it revealed what it really was? A dream too fragile to survive its own freedom.